Pakistan, you know, it is punishable by death to declare La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Did you know that? To claim that Allah is one and Muhammad is his prophet and servant. If an Ahmadi makes this claim, it is punishable by death under 295C, which would not permit even for such a criminal to be bailed out. Because this is the crime of the gravest nature according to the law of Pakistan now, fully supported by the Supreme Court's decisions. They tried their best to stem the tide. They took all possible measures to stop the passage of Ahmadiyya and failed. So now they say that is the only way out. Punish them for agreeing with the fundamentals of Islam so that if they deviate, then the Muslims will stop following them. If they do not, then they lose their lives. Now this is the dastardly plan which ultimately has been put into action through legal help, through legislation, because it's the ultimate of acceptance of defeat.